Hi there, it's Claire from Clairified Creations, and welcome to a very exciting adventure where we're gonna see the Scottish Highland cows. We made it to Cookeville, Tennessee, and we're gonna see the fluffy creatures. For my birthday, Nate got me this cow farm tour / experience, so I'm definitely vlogging it for you all. It's so fun. Oh my goodness. So we're here and we're gonna go pet some and then give them treats and definitely hug them. Okay, we will. Hi, buddy.
Okay. This one on the right over here is Maida, and this here is Mima, the one who's tangled up right here.
Okay.
They're both almost a year old. They're both super friendly. You can get right up next to them.
Okay.
Yeah.
At their age, the only thing you got to worry about for just watch where they step. They weigh about 600 pounds.
Right.
So it'll hurt a little bit if they step on your toe.
Yeah, for sure. Okay.
That's about all they can do right now.
Okay.
Hi, Maida. Maida and Mima. I know.
700-800 pounds. But about 3.5, 4 years old when they're full grown, they'll be about 1,000 pounds.
Wow.
Okay. Yeah.
That's a big cow.
Yeah, which funny enough in cow terms, that's pretty small. They are a smaller breed.
Right.
Like our biggest Highland mom is Peaches. She's one way up there on the hill, kind of in the shade. And she's very big for a Highland, and she's only about 1,100, maybe 1,200 pounds at the most.
Yeah.
Our Angus moms are a lot closer to 1,400-1,500.
Right.
Wow.
Okay, cool.
Hello. You hungry? She's hungry. Hi. So you're more interested in the food, huh? Yeah. I see them all on Instagram.
Yeah, then both of these girls can have treats, especially Nadine here.
Okay.
Looks like she likes them. Oop. We'll get it. Oh. There we go. Is that good? Oh, she says nope. Wants more treats. Hi.
He's Lola and Maida's mom.
Oh, look at him. He's big. He got big horns.
Then the red one that's way up there in the fence row is Peachy Keen. She's Nadine's mom, and Peach is calf from a few years ago.
Okay.
Wow, this one's huge.
So how much does he weigh?
Walter is probably about 1,350, almost 1,400. He's a pretty average Highland.
Okay.
This is Walter.
He'll get a little bit bigger as he gets older, but he'll stay about this size.
Okay, cool.
Oh, Walter's here. You treat hungry?
Social. He was a show bull whenever he was younger. So
Okay.
he's kind of always been around people.
Right.
He was about 70 pounds when he was born.
Really?
For
Wow.
reference, Maida was like ideal. She was about 54.
Wow. Okay. So he is big.
Here, she's a little bit like Vanna. She likes her personal space a little bit.
Right.
But usually she likes treats enough. She tolerates people. When she walks up, she likes treats. Just watch out for her horns.
Right.
She likes to throw them around just a little bit.
Okay.
Especially where she has her baby.
Right.
But usually as long as you're giving her treats, she stays pretty good mannered.
He did come out at a full dog size.
Yeah. He's almost as big as Barney.
Yeah, he's probably big.
Usually within like an hour, they're pretty good. Usually less than that.
Oh, wow, okay.
They're still gonna be a little tired until the next day. It looks a lot like they're fighting.
Right. Yeah.
Hi, Lola. Further away. Look like a sheep. Hi.
She's okay to have treats too?
Yeah, she can have one or two.
Okay. You hungry?
Hi, Mill Creek Farms. Review time of Mill Creek Farms. It was amazing, you guys. Definitely have to come over here. We were the only two people at 10 o'clock, so we got there around 9:45, and he gave us the tour until almost 10:30, so we actually got about a 45-minute tour instead of the 30 minutes we booked. They were so cute. The little baby, its name is Neeland, and he was born a week ago, and just him running, prancing along the grass, the cutest thing ever. Oh my goodness. So definitely gotta come back.